Hi
Hi,
guys,
guys.
I am Martin
I am Frazel.
and we're going to make
Love
slime without
Shaving
shaving cream,
cream.
and let's go to the video.
First,
First
you're
you're gonna need is
bowl.
bowl.
Second, you're gonna need is glue. Third, you're gonna need is food coloring. Third, you're gonna need is containers. Fourth, you're gonna need is stick. Fifth, you're gonna need is tablespoon. And
Six you're gonna need is toothpaste.
seven, you're gonna need is
Borax. Third,
you're gonna need is
oil and water.
And that started. Okay guys, so
We filled up our bottles.
into 1/4 water. And then
Yes.
next is
You're gonna
you're gonna need
put toothpaste.
to put
And you gonna
Then-
put in. Basta kasi!
Oh my god! And you gotta pour it. This is water. Not pour it off. Okay? Okay guys, pour it. Oh god. Woo, amazing. Nice. And bakit natin. Okay guys, eto na po.
Yan po siya, oh. Yan po siya.
Wow!
Then, kailangan nyo ilagay
Amazing
yung-
herb.
Amazing!
Herb.
Ilalagay po natin yung lid and we gonna shake.
Shake it. Shake it off.
Okay. Then you see the foam. We got to, kailangan natin kunin yung foam dito sa bottle.
Yes, we got it. We got it.
But first, we gonna
Oh my god.
pour the glue on the bowl.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so not easy. It's so hard. Oh my god. And we put it. Oh my god.
Tumalsik yung sa kanya.
And oh my god. Ako lang sa'yo ah.
Umitak na si
Look! Oh my god, no! Amazing earth. Faster than faster.
Here's my glue. It's
So
okay.
sticky. Yeah.
Then, you will put some coloring in it. Blue sa akin.
Okay, this is my favorite color, and this is my blue. And oh my god! And we pour some.
Tignan nyo to, mga Bex. Tignan nyo yan, mga Bex. Kita nyo yan, mga Bex.
So,
Kita nyo yan, mga Bex. Ha? Kita nyo yan, mga Bex.
akin min bag. Maduga ko.
Mark. Ay, Mark.
And then is Doris. Oh my god. Kita mo yung bags?
Ang cute.
Kita mo yung bags?
Ang ganda, mga Bex.
It's so easy.
Red sa'yo. Akala ko pink.
Naging red.
Mix it early, guys. Ay.
Hindi ko alam kung magagawa natin. Hey guys!
Hey, guys.
So this is my finished product, and then
This my
this is my finished product.
And we will put the foam.
that.
Put we put the foam on the slide.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, ano pa bebe?
Oh! Ano, mali.
No!
Kailangan start.
Mali okay.
Kunin mo yung foam lang. Gamitin mo kasi stick mo. Wait,
Wait a minute. Shake ko lang.
just pull out my...
Shake, 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 shake. And bye guys. Wait.
Give me some.
Hirap na hirap si Otto. This my, oh my, this mine, it's homey.
Oh my god! Oh my god.
Her!
What can go? You're softy. Dude!
Mine's blue. Hers red.
You guys, this is my water.
I will prepare the activator na now.
Oh, what this is?
What is it? Ano yun? Basta i-prepare ko yung activator. Kailangan ng 1 cup
Ganito ba?
water.
Ganito ba? Ganito ba, Mark?
Yes.
Bakit? Oh my god. Just put this one. This is. Ba't parang anong pangit?
Hindi yan pang. Ikaw mo yung pang.
No!
Ano yan?
No, no, that's no.
Sige, lagay mo. Oh, yan. Hindi dyan! Doon! Ano yan? Mga Bex.
Oh my god.
Ayan, mga WhatsApp mga Bex.
Nagawa dito to. Oh my god.
Then you got lang this of the war.
Okay.
Diba?
What? May nadidisan na po. Oh my god!
Ayan.
Oh my god, nadidisan na po sa akin. Wait a minute. Ano po natin?
Oh my God! I'm so Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so amazed right now. First time ko kasi gumamit sa kanya. Ng the war.
Hindi ko. Saan po yan galing? Oh my god. OMG!
Yuck.
Wala po nga saan pero
Wait,
sa
I'll wash my hands. Wow.
Bakit na sa akin yun? Bakit sa akin, Mark? Ibig ko nga.
Just get some activated. Mine is getting steady right now. Nako.
Siguro po wala akong pag-asa. Wow!
On and
Ah! Oh my God, ang saya po ng viewers na. Ano po? Masaya.
it's sticky. Oh no. Where are you? Wala bang wala kang pag-asa? Ayan. Mine is done. I will gonna need it. So it's not anymore.
Ilagay ko muna. Ang kulit ng slime ko. Okay, then, shake it. Woo! Amazing! Oh! Ganda! Uy! So, malapit na po siya mag-form lahat. And then, lagyan po natin konti. Ano po po yung konti? Yung mo na lang yan. Nakikita po. Yan, konti.
10 minutes na siya oh.
Okay na. Panoorin niyo po yan, guys.
Tagal namin gumawa, no?
Wow! Tagal ko po gumawa, no? Oo, hindi ka po.
Oh. This is my slime.
Wow.
It's a little sticky now.
So, malapit ko po siya hawakan. Nag-fall na po lahat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Little.
Akala ko kaganina, wala nang pag-asa na mabuo. Tignan po. Yan. Yan. Oh my God. Yan po yung finished product ko.
Oh, hindi ka na.
Finished product ko. Yan. Oh my God. Hahawakan po namin siya. Wait lang. Mabawash lang ako ng hands. Sige po. Wait lang po guys. Ay, sa baka magkugas ko, hahawakan ko na siya. O-M-G. Ba't siya ganun po? Oh my God. Ang gagawin na. Mapapasal ako na to. Ayun na po ako muna sa lugar po.
First time ko gumawa.
Kasi dati, ano po, glue and activator na po, Ariel Gel. Ganun lang po.
Are you gel yung activator namin?
Ayun na po ako gumawa ng borax.
Medyo sticky pa
Ay,
siya.
susunod po, ano na po.
Request lang po kayo sa baba.
Comment down below and subscribe our video.
Wait. Kinis eh.
Oh my God, bakit hindi na ganyan sa akin? Uy, oh my God, ba't may nilalagyan mo ng glue?
May red ako. I'll wash my hands real quick.
And this is my slime. Oh, empty that. Parang kulang punta sa alien. Ay, sa alien. I'm so sorry. Pero pala sa activator nyo ng bola.
It's perfect.
So sticky.
Mine is overactivated. See?
Hindi po natin.
No. It's not.
No!
Oh my god, it's so
Gumit
beautiful.
ako yung gumit ako po.
Baliw, kakain ko nga.
Hello.
I will
No.
get the leftover in the bowl.
B is this is mine. Oh my god, oh yeah. Ayun po. Oh my god.
Thumbnail.
Slime.
If you think na mas maganda yung sa akin,
If you think po na mas maganda po yung sa akin, comment down below kung sino ang pinakamagandang slime
comment down below.
Mark or me.
Hashtag Mark when you're...
And hashtag Frazel with me. Alam po, talo na ako.
Mas maganda kayo sa'yo. Okay, we're gonna end the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. We will leave a heart on a positive comment, and see you next time, guys. Bye!
Bye!